Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we want to talk to you today about something in your vehicle's maintenance that a lot of people forget about. And some people, they just keep going and think the car will run great. Today, we're just going to give you a quick tech tip on the air filters for any vehicle. We just happen to be by this semi for right now. But before that, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button for Diesel Garage on there. Let us know what you think about some of the videos, and we're going to keep on bringing you tech tip videos next week and the week after, and just start bringing you tech tips that kind of help you guys out a little bit. Anyway, back to this here. Air filters. Every vehicle has one, and they have it on there for a reason. It protects the inside of your engine from all the dust and soot and debris and junk to get inside your engine that could potentially wipe out the bearings and wipe out your engine. So, quick tech tip of the day: everything going on with smoke, fire, soot, anything like that. If you're driving anywhere in California right now, you're going to want to pay real close attention to your filters. Check them, make sure that everything is good. If you have to, grab another one, throw it in the trunk. $5 or $10 for your investment for an air filter sure beats $5,000 to $20,000 for a new L5P diesel engine. It could be a $15,000 overhaul or $20,000 overhaul for one of these, depending on what you got to do. That $10 or $15 or $50 or $100 for these air filters for these things, well worth it. So just double check your air filter. Your car will run a little bit better, making sure that you got a good clean air filter, and it'll last a lot longer. After all, their investments, they're not getting any cheaper. So if you do good maintenance on it, it should last you quite a long time. And a key to that right now: air filters all the time, double check them. When you get your oil changed, see what's going on. If they're getting plugged up a little bit more, hey, grab another one to go home with you, just in case something happens and you've got one to go. Anyway, that's tech tip for the day. We'll see you guys next week with another tech tip. Have a great day.